friends out there. So I am excited because I'm making a new chili recipe, and I got it off a video. It was how to make chili, Mama's Chili, and the site is Lockdown23 and 1. And I told him, well, I love your mom's chili. Okay, I fried 1/2 pound of the beef patty mix that I got at Dollar Tree. And so this is kind of a small batch because, you know, I don't have a big family. And so this was what I didn't know. This is 1 can of beans, and I smush my beans. You know, I smush them up with my hands because that's how they did it. And then I have 1 can tomatoes. I don't know if I'm following this exactly. And 1 package of chili mix. Now, I can already tell you this is going to be good. And a couple of drops of hot sauce. Okay, and so then about 3/4, I had 2 cans, so about 3/4 water. Okay, one of the things that's tricky is getting enough juice, but not getting too much juice. I think this is going to be about right. Okay, so you get the idea. This is making a lot of chili, and I wanted to make mention. Okay, I blotted the grease out of my my hamburger. You know, I don't want to be eating that. So let me give you a look at the recipe. Okay, I have beans. He used light red. Just go to my Twitter for the video, and I suggest following him because, you know, I was watching a good video today. 1 can tomatoes and cheese. I'm not putting my cheese in yet. Hamburger, hot sauce, crushed red peppers, chili package, and onions. And here it is. I posted on Twitter. Oh, and you know what else I posted? A good potato soup recipe that one of the followers made who has her own channel. That's on Twitter too. Boy, that looked good too. And so, you know, this is what I was hoping was going to happen. I was hoping, you know, I'd get other people's good recipes. Okay, so now then another one of the followers said what she does is she makes a big batch of chili and she freezes it. And so after it cools, I'm thinking I have these, and this is 32 ounces. This would be a nice portion. Maybe about a half one of these. That'd be about 16 ounces. And freeze that up. So, okay, you guys, here is the new chili, and I can tell you already it's going to be much better. I never had enough sense to smush the beans. So, okay, you guys, here's the chili coming up soon, and God bless you all.